It's around 8:30 now. We're on a safari walk now around our camp. Zebras on the other side. One of the best places I've ever been. Aberdare National Park. Look what we found. This was the craziest thing I could have done out here in Kenya. Like, follow me on my journey living outside the box. Good morning. Welcome to day number 3 in the Aberdare National Park. The third and last day here. 6 o'clock. But this is the view I wake up to. The sunrise. Day 3 of the Aberdare National Park adventure. We camped now 2 nights here, so second camp night now. We had a bunch of hyenas at night around our tent and we woke up to a beautiful sun. It's pretty warm over here now. We are just waiting for the others to wake up. We packed already some things and now we are chilling here in this plain land on our camping chairs. We are hoping to spot some more animals. Yeah. Yesterday when we came here it was raining a lot and it was even thunder and stuff, so we were very lucky that it was not raining at night, or that we could even set a few hours at the bonfire. Yeah, that we woke up to this beautiful day. So it's around 8:30 now. I don't want to talk too loud and I don't want to talk too much, but we're on a safari walk now around our camp. Let's see if we spot some wildlife. This place is so crazy. The sun is shining. It's so open here. So much wildlife. I think I see something back there. Zebras on the other side. In the back you have a water park, but you cannot see around here. Supposed to be zebras. Ah, there's one. Go around the corner first. How amazing is this? Crazy. There's a hornbill. I forgot. Hornbill bird. I need more clicks so that I can buy a proper camera, that I can get this footage better on screen. What is up? We packed our complete stuff together. We put the tents together. Now we got a last view over this beautiful scenery. And then we're gonna go on another game drive for a few hours. And then we have to leave the park and we head back home to Nairobi. Until now I feel so blessed. The night was even that I wasn't sleeping the best, but the night in the morning was crazy, was mystical. One of the best places I have ever been, Aberdare National Park. Crazy, yeah, even this way is hard to drive. You need to be skilled and you need a proper car to do this. Yeah. So we just took a side road. was pointing to the old post office. And yeah, we tried it out. We had to go like 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer away from the main road, and we got this view. How crazy is this tree? How crazy is this spot, guys? Imagine you would build a tree house in this one. It's my dream. It's my life goal from now on. Putting a tree house in this tree.
We can put the...
It's crazy, huh? They even have the old poles over here from the old building, which was here. Some wood left. With this view, eh? Sun is burning. This valley looks breathtaking. So much greenery. Oh, by the way, how do you like my hat? My professional ranger hat. I will chill now a bit and enjoy the view. With the limited time left in the park, we set out to explore more off the beaten tracks. We had to cross an unstable wooden bridge, followed by a steep mountain. The trick is, don't stop. The engine roars and the blood pumps in our chest as we make our way up the hill. We got rewarded with views all over the mountains and valleys. In moments like this, I know I'm living the right way. And soon after we made it, taking the next turn, we got blessed with the final surprise. Oopala. Look what we found. Alright guys, we're now here at the Bongo campsite. We're not gonna camp here obviously, because in 1.5 hours we have to leave the park. It was an amazing 2 days. I'm stunned and speechless, like a lot of times here in Kenya, but this was the craziest thing I could have done out here in Kenya. Like, it was the best. Luckily I was able to do it still at the end of my journey. A few days more here in Kenya, and I'm gonna leave it first. I'm gonna go back to Germany, and then let's see what the future brings. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed this year. Maybe you can give me some more valuable info about this area here. Maybe I'm gonna go back here, so you can give me some tips and tricks for the next time. See you soon.
Yeah, so there you see, we should maybe just film it. There you see, like who is founding all that. It's
European Union Rhino Church. Giraffe Center. Okay, it's time to leave the park, guys. Yes, here are the tickets in the side pockets. He wants to check probably the car if we were poachers and if we were taking something with us.
We came into the park at around 2 the day before yesterday.
Me and my girlfriend.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
You have a great day. Thank you. See you soon.
Ciao, ciao. That's it. we can officially leave the park. Crazy, yeah? As soon as you leave the park, where you have the native wild animals, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and you see farm animals and domestication everywhere. It's crazy.
As we said goodbye to the Aberdare National Park, we couldn't help but feel a sense of melancholy and also a bit relief. The park had given us a taste of the true wilds of Africa. When we drove through the lush farmland and onto the smooth road, we were sad to leave. And the thought of heading back to Nairobi for my final week in Africa, I couldn't help but feel a sense of nostalgia. One thing is for sure, these memories and experiences will stay with us forever. The bees or elephants, the mountains and the valleys, the rain and the mud, the struggle and the beauty of Mother Nature. Thank you, Kenya. Make sure to catch the previous parts of our journey and join us on this incredible adventure. Nairobi, Africa.